Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to speed up your WordPress website in 2023. A slow website can be frustrating for both you and even your visitors, and it can also hurt your SEO ranking. So, let me show you some simple steps to reduce that slow speed and make it run faster. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So let's start by opening any browser we are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. As an example, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Opera, you can use Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you are using in your PC. Once you open this browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type wordpress.com and hit the enter button. That should take you to the homepage or main screen of WordPress right away. And of course here, let's just start by looking for the pricing and plans on this WordPress website. As you can see, I am going to use the free one or the free plans which comes with these features. Of course, if you pay more, you will always get more features, and the free one will not have a lot of features that you will need using your website or trying to do a lot with your website. Of course, there is the personal plan, which will cost you $4 per month, and it will come with these features. Of course, there is even the premium plan, which is a popular plan, and it comes with these features as well. And the best plan for devs, as you can see, or developers, is the business plan, and it will come with a lot of features. As you can see, the list of features is more than the list of other features. And of course, there's the commerce plan, which comes with these features, as you can see, and there is the enterprise feature, and this will bill you with this yearly. Of course, you can pay annually or monthly, choose whatever suits you. And once you choose whatever you want or whatever suits you, of course, you can always click here and compare the plans. You can compare something with another thing. As you can see, this is the list of the features, and this check mark means that this feature is included in this plan. As you can see, the free plan has these features, don't have this, and etc. Comes with this all features. You can see all this table if you want, and you can hit or hide the comparison. Of course, after all, if you have an account, we can just go back to the wordpress.com homepage. And if you have an account, simply you can click on login into your account. And here you will have to enter your email address or username, and then click on continue. Then of course you'll have to enter your password. And if you don't want to get through all those steps, you can continue with your Google or Apple if you actually created the account with it. So you will not have any wasted time on entering this email address and etc. You can just log in with your Google or Apple. And if you don't have an account, of course, you can always click on this create a new account. By clicking on it, as you can see here, you will have to fill your email address, username, and you will have to enter a password. Of course, also, you can always create an account with your Google account or Apple account. You can simply click on it and allow it, of course. And once you click on it, this will pop out into you and choose the account that you would like to create the account with. And once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself on a page or a home screen like this. As you can see here, you'll find yourself in the home page, and you can even complete some steps that they are presenting to you, like give your site a name and own a domain to build a site. You can design like experts by learning from here, and you can even get help from here. So this was just to show you how to create an account. Now I'll just switch to my real account or the account on the local host by simply, I'm just going to open it right away. I guess it's already logged in into it, so I don't have to log in or anything. So let me just get into it and I'm coming back to you. Of course, the local host will be something like that. So you'll have just to enter your username or email, then the password, and log in into it. And here I'll be in the dashboard of my local host of my real account. Of course, you can always go to your WordPress account, and if you want, you can even get a free domain with an annual plan if you want. So simply click on upgrade and get the domain that you want if you paid for a plan, an annual plan, as I said. So now let's just head to the localhost. And if you want to do everything in your website, you will be able to do it from here. So the first step, of course, if you want to speed up your website in WordPress is optimizing images. Because the first thing you should do to speed up your WordPress website is to optimize your image. Because large images files, of course, can significantly slow down your site's loading time. You can use plugins like Smush or Shorts Pixel to optimize your images automatically. You don't need to do anything manually. These plugins will compress your images without sacrificing their quality. You can also use free online tool like TinyPNG to compress your images before uploading them to your website. Of course, you can just lead to your local host and go to plugins, and here you can search for install plugins if you have them, and if you don't, you can simply click on add new here, which will lead you to this page. Here you can simply go and search for the plugins that I told you, like Smush and Shorts Pixel. Let's say, for example, Smush. Let's search for it. And as you can see, we have here lazy load image optimizer and compress images. And of course, as I said, there's even the Shorts Pixel. So just go and search for that for your own. Then simply install it and add it to your website. And that will help you speed up your WordPress images. And of course, this second step is minifying CSS and JavaScript. Because the second thing that you can do, of course, to speed up your WordPress website is to minify your CSS and JavaScript files, because minifying means removing unnecessary characters from your code without changing its functionality. Because this will reduce the size of your files and speed up your website's loading time. You can use, of course, plugins also like WP Minify or Auto Optimize to minify your CSS and JavaScript files. Of course, you can also or always go to your plugins, add new, then search for the plugin, and you'll find it right here. As I told you, Minify here, WP Minify. As you can see, you'll find it right here, and there is even the auto optimize. Auto optimize. You will find it right here as well, which will help you. These plugins will help you speed up your websites. Of course, the third step or the third thing you should consider to speed up your WordPress websites is caching. Because caching allows your website to store frequently accessed data in a temporary storage location, so it doesn't have to be retrieved each time a user visits your site. This reduces the server load and speed up your site. And you can use plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache. Of course, you can also just go and search them here in the plugins and adding them to your Wix website. Of course, the fourth thing that you can do is to use Content Delivery Network or CDN. So CDN is a network of servers that are distributed across different locations. When a user visits your website, the servers closest to their location delivers your website's content. This reduces the time it takes for your website to load. And of course, the last step will be, as I already told you, that you will have to go and look for the best place that you can hold your subdomain or your domain name from it and upgrade it so your website will not get slow. Of course, there is a lot of examples such as Bluehost, SiteGround, GoDaddy, and WP Engine, and a lot of other stuff. You can do your own research about that. So that's it for this video on how to speed up your WordPress websites in 2023. By following these steps, you'll be able to significantly improve your website's loading time and provide a better experience for your visitors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on website optimization. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.